Hey guys, Cameron with Dynamax here. So I'm wrapping this Porsche 2025 EV, and so I have to take this mirror off right now, and I'm gonna show you how to take this off safely, just like a normal car. Even though this is a brand new car, because Porsche put a couple new things in here. So for one, this has one bolt only that holds this thing in. It's a big one. So I'll show you the sizes of all the parts or tools that you need. So that's the first thing. Second thing is make sure you have a trim removal kit so you can take apart all these panels without hurting them. Don't just get a flathead. Don't be a cowboy and try to cowboy it. These are nice cars and they're very delicate, and especially this leather in here I've noticed is very sensitive. So but basically what you'll need to get this off to start is going to be a trusty trim tool that you've used before, obviously, hopefully. And you just want to go ahead and go at this corner first. And I've already done 3 of these, so I'm very used to how to do this at this point. And you're just going to push down on these tabs across the top, and then you're going to pull up at the tabs on the bottom after you've gone through the top. So I'm doing this one-handed. Very gently just going across and pushing down at the top, because it's a science at this point for me. It's the science of which angle to hit on the clip for me. And this angle allows you to get the clips out without breaking them. And so this last one's a little tight. So what I'll do is I'll come up from the bottom now, across, and then I'm gonna get that last one out. Okay, so now once you get here, as you can see, there's a little step. So you slide it over to the left, and then there's a second one right here. That right there. So I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna make sure that it's unclipped fully. It's this one right here. Make sure that's unclipped, and then make sure over here is unclipped, and you're gonna go over to the left, and then that comes out. And then this one you gotta make sure that it's even. This is like brand new, so it's tight, but what you want to do is just kind of go. Sorry, I'm one-handed. You want to kind of lift up and out, because this back one is a hook. Now, I didn't see any videos online that are going to go this in depth, but this is everything you need to know. I'm going to show you all the little stuff. Next thing you do is take this little shell piece out. And you got yourself a, what is that? That's a T25. T25, sorry, it was a little faded there on my tool. All right, so you take out 1, 2 T25s. One T25. Like I said, I hate videos online when you can't find a video of how to do something. And there is a video, but we don't talk about this. Okay, now this is the interesting part. So I got a hook right here. This is where it starts getting new for me, new territory. So you're gonna go ahead and take out your little grommet, and you're going to reach inside, and you cannot see it right now. You cannot see it. This thing right here that you're seeing, it is a tab that you reach inside and you pull it out like that. I think I got it. Okay, and then from there, if you got it, you're gonna reach behind this right here, and you'll be able to tell. So I did not get it. I did not get the tab out because this is still tight. This should just gently come out. So basically, what you gotta do is get a pick tool like this. You want to get yourself some pliers. You want to curve it just the right angle and be very patient. Okay, I think I got it that time. What I did is I pushed down, and then I pulled up, and I think I got it that time. And you'll hear it. You don't have to pull too hard. You just gotta pull firm, like a lot of things on cars. And then look, it just comes out like butter. And then what you do is you just ever so slightly lift up and then slide it out, and you're gonna hear it thunk. Okay, so that you might not have heard it, but you can hear the basket that catches this fall down inside. So later you're gonna have to reach up in there and push it back out so that you can slide this into the basket. And that's what all the videos don't show you online. So I'm gonna show you that. Take your little gaskets off. Gently massage the car and get that cord out right there. And it's just one little pull tab. Just a little tab right here. There we go. Okay. It's a little pull tab. So you just lift it up. And if you don't have a handy dandy pick tool, I highly advise you have one of these on you when you take these apart, because there's just lots of little tiny things that you can poke at with it to get these tabs off quick. Otherwise, you're gonna be sitting here with your fingernail trying to do this. So just take this off, set this aside, and that's all that you have to do. That's everything to get this door card off. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take right here, you're gonna lift up on this side and the left, and then behind here is all the juicy cords and stuff. So the first thing you're gonna do is pull the red tab out, disconnect any wires like that. This one right here is a tab that you basically push it down like that. This tab right here, see if we can get a good angle for you. You have to spread these out like this. So you gotta, where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so you spread it out, you spread these out, and then this comes up, and there's a hook that goes down in right here. And the hook goes down in and under. So then there's two tabs right here, and you spread them out so that they can go past this way, and then slide it back and up and out to get your door handle cable released. And then from there it's just the speaker. So there's two pinch tabs, and then you just wiggle it out on that one. And that's how you take off the door card. So we got that covered. Nobody explained this online. And then from here, all we have to do is go inside of this grommet right here. And this is where you're gonna wanna pay attention. This grommet right here is gonna go inside the door and up and out. And I know that that sounds really complicated, but I'm gonna make sure that I show it to you right now so you can see how easy it is. So just pull your safety red tab and then push in the tab. Push in the tab underneath of it, right here. And then give it a wiggle. Okay, and then we got one right here with a push tab right there. So, got that one. Alright, so we got these two that are going through here. So we just want to prep them to go through. And don't forget that for later when you put it back together. First thing you're gonna do is pull it out, right? And then slip it through. You gotta be gentle, you know, everything delicate. Everything very delicate. Now, this is another big thing. So we got a T50 Torx socket, but up in here, if you look at the actual bolt, it is not a Torx. Well, the liquor and the bowl, they've been saving my soul from the pain that the world's put on me. Okay. Lord, I know that upstairs there's an old man who cares, and one day he'll set me free. So I'm gonna break it loose. I'm gonna break it loose first. Gently. You're gonna see this start to loosen up. See that? Oh, see that? Okay. So now what you wanna do is, now that it's loose, I'm gonna set you up right here. You're gonna take this and you're gonna put it up in there again, put on the bowl. You're gonna gently remove it. You're gonna need one of these, which is a claw, to grab the bolt. On the hand, loosening it, getting it all the way loose. It's been hell since you went away. Because this is still a little tight, I'm gonna get it to where it's like basically gonna fall out. And then once it's gonna fall out, then you grab your claw. I don't have much to say. Thank only God can save me now. I think the time You just want to wiggle the mirror, and have the most delicate touch. And then slowly remove the bolt like this. And now you're free. So what you do is you go up, straight up with Porsches. You go straight up. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start feeding your cables up and through, gently tugging on that wire. And you gotta be careful because that grommet is gonna go through there as well. So you're gonna have to gently finesse that up and through. And I'm holding this like a little baby. And this is my own child, you know? And then you wanna just finesse the harnesses up and out. Now that's how you take the mirror off. That's how you take the door card off and the door handle, all in one video for you.